this video, I will show you how you can perform a 1 proportion z-test on your TI84. Let's go ahead and read the problem. If the proportion of paper coffee cups that are defective from a large batch of cups is greater than 0.09, the manufacturer will stop manufacturing to investigate their process. To test the proportion, they take a random sample of 200 cups and find 28 to be defective. Let's go ahead and solve a proportions test. So the first step is to talk about the null and alternative hypotheses. So here are parameters p, and p is equal to 0.09. This is the claim. And we're going to then check out the manufacturing process if our proportion is actually greater than 0.09. So that will be our alternative hypothesis. If we are able to reject the null and there's evidence in favor of the alternative, then the manufacturer will investigate their process of producing these paper coffee cups. So our claim is 0.009. So to calculate the test statistic and p-value using our TI84, we're going to go to the stat button, scroll over to tests, go down to option number 5, 1 prop z test, press enter. Here we want to put in our claimed amount. Again, this is 0.09. So 0.09. Put in the number of successes here. So the trick is not to put in the proportion or the sampled proportion, but to actually put in a whole number. So in this case, they found 28 out of the sample size of 200 to be defective. And then we need to choose our alternative hypothesis. In this case, we're doing a one-sided upper test. So if the proportion is greater than our claim, we will then investigate the process. So this is p greater than p naught, and then we'll press calculate. In this example, we get a z statistic of 2.47 and a p-value of 0.007 if we round it a little bit. So again, z is equal to 2.47 and p is equal to 0.007. If you've done this by hand, you might get slightly different answers according to rounding, but this is really close. Basically, our p-value is very small, and we should reject the null hypothesis.